There may be a lot of Gen 4 memes that you don't understand, and for explaining that, there's actually a specialized GPT. So for that, if I were to go around on to explore GPTs right here, then I can go around on to buy ChatGPT section and expand this out right here, as you can see. And over here, you can see that Gen 4 memes is an option. So it says I can help you understand the lingo and the latest memes right here. So let's just go around and start this chat right here and add in an attachment right here and upload one from computer. So let's just go around and select this, which is a meme about a teacher, and let's say, please explain why this meme is funny right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and type that in, now you can see that it analyzes out this particular meme. So over here it says, LOL, this meme is pure gold. It's what people think I do versus what I actually do meme, which is like a classic format to show how different perceptions can be from reality. And so this one is about teachers, and you can see that it breaks down all of these 6 images around over here. And it says this humor comes from the exaggerated contrast between these perceptions right here, just like this. Similarly, let me just go around and upload out this other meme right here, just like this. Like this is not my body right here, just like this. So let's go around and say, now explain why this meme is funny right here, just like this. So now if I were to go around and do that, then what happens is that it starts explaining this right here. So it says this meme is in a play on words in historical context, which makes it kind of clever. And this is not my party, it's literal, and then it's political, as you can see right here, just like this. So that is how you can work around and then utilize the Gen 4 meme to extract the meaning from memes by using ChatGPT as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.